Hi guys, and welcome back to another Friday of Tristan. It's been a seriously busy week here at Wire 3. The last 5 days have seen us prepare bespoke radio solutions to a variety of businesses and groups. The key point here is that each client is different, and as such, their radio solution needs to be tailored to their individual needs. We have car tours heading across Europe, so the TLK 100 radio will help them with their long range radio communication. A local football club need an entry-level digital radio to help them organise their running of match days while keeping costs down. We have an FM client who needs radio coverage across a large new development site in Brent Cross. The TLK 100 will enable cover across the entire site. And another client will be utilising the TLK 100 because of its wide area coverage, which has seen improved operational efficiency for their traffic management business. And finally, we are managing a full radio upgrade for the OVO Arena Wembley, where the Motorola R7 will be utilised. So if your business needs radio communication, drop me a message and let us guide you through to find the right solution. Apart from that, have a fantastic weekend and we'll see you next Friday.